Son, do you know what numbers are?
Yes, Dad. Numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. Numbers are all around us. We use them to count things, to measure things, and to solve problems.
Like what?
Sure. Here are a few examples of how we use math in everyday life. When you cook, you need to measure the ingredients carefully. If you don't use the right amount of ingredients, the recipe won't turn out very well. When you play sports, you need to be able to calculate things like distance, speed, and angles. For example, if you're playing baseball, you need to be able to calculate where to hit the ball in order to get a home run. When you save money, you need to be able to track your spending and make sure that you're not spending more money than you earn. Math can help you to do this.
Wow, I didn't realize that we use math so much in everyday life.
Math can be challenging, but it's also very important. Math helps us to solve problems, to make decisions, and to understand the world around us.
I guess I should try harder in math class then.
I'm glad you said that, son. Math is a challenging subject, but it's worth it to learn. With a good understanding of math, you'll be able to accomplish anything you set your mind to. And most importantly, computer programmers use math all the time. They need to use math to write algorithms, to optimize code, and to troubleshoot problems.
I didn't know that math was so important for computer programmers.
It is. Math is an essential skill for anyone who wants to work in the tech industry.
I'm interested in working in the tech industry when I grow up. So, I guess I should start learning more about math now.
That's a great idea, son. Math is a valuable skill to have, no matter what field you choose to go into.
Viewers, please like the video and more such videos, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon.